The first speaker on my list this morning is His Excellency Mr. Dominic Aguritinga Ayen, Attorney General and Minister of Justice of Ghana. You have the floor.
Which one? Madam President, Ghana welcomes the convening of the special session of the States Parties to the Rome Statute to review the Kampala amendments on the crime of aggression. Despite being buffeted on many sides, the International Criminal Court continues to be the foremost international judicial instrument for combating impunity, deterring the commission of serious international crimes, and delivering justice to victims. As a country committed to respect for international law, Ghana values the court's unique and complementary role and recognizes the important contribution that the effective implementation of the statute can make to the maintenance of international peace and security. Madam President, the inclusion of the crime of aggression in the Rome Statute in 2010, following the Kampala Amendment, was a milestone. However, its practical application has remained constrained. The jurisdictional threshold agreed under Article 15 bis, wherein the court may exercise jurisdiction only where both the state of the suspect and the territorial state are parties to the statute, or where the United Nations Security Council refers the matter, has rendered the prosecution of aggression largely ineffectual. Ghana thanks the Working Group on Amendments for its engagements and welcomes the cross-regional group's commitment to establish for the statute the same level of jurisdiction for the crime of aggression as that agreed for the three core crimes. To remove the limitations placed in the way of the court, the political compromise carved over the crime of aggression must be removed by ensuring parity of treatment or harmonization of jurisdiction. Ghana therefore takes note of the proposed draft resolution and would actively, constructively, and purposively participate in its further consideration to ensure that consistency, fairness, and the effective pursuit of accountability is implemented across all four core crimes. The outcome of this session must reflect our collective aspiration to uphold justice, safeguard the rule of law,